Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Macon Z Incorporated, and they're looking for a marketing director. This pays $10 on the low end and $30 on the high end per hour. So for the job qualifications, you have some business development and professional sales experience. You have the vision of possible customer group. You have the ability to make decisions on how to advertise and make products well known. A self-starter with a real determination and grit to make opportunities a reality. You have or want experience with prospecting and cold calling. A confident, patient, and thoughtful communicator both on the phone and in person. You can work in a fast-paced team environment. You have a good time management with strong organization skills. You're excited by the prospect of building a successful sales career as you exceed targets. Some of your job responsibilities will be generate new sales leads through a mixture of calling and emailing, be able to fully understand brand's value and each product's selling points, give attractive sales presentation to target customer, build a pipeline and execute our early stages of the sales process, following up on sales lead campaigns as well as self-generated prospect lists. Use various sales methods to identify decision makers within the target customer's list. High outbound call volume along with running mass email campaigns. Understand Millennium's offerings and effectively communicate and apply them to each prospect's needs. Achieve and exceed monthly quotas and objectives. This is a part-time. They also have an internship. It pays from $10 on the low end, $30 on the high end per hour. The schedule is on call or a self-determined schedule. And it also offers supplemental pay, such as bonus pay and also commission pay. Experience will be marketing 2 years required. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. And also don't forget to share because there might be someone in your friends group that might actually be qualified for this position if you're not the perfect fit for it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you find the perfect one for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.